With the right balance of sweetness and acidity, plus a touch of heat and savoriness, that's why we sell over 100 million pounds of orange chicken per year, and it's not slowing down. My name is Jimmy Wang. I'm the Director of Product Development for Panda Express, and this is how we made the original orange chicken. Orange chicken is the most iconic dish on Panda Express's American Chinese menu. It's made with marinated dark meat chicken that's coated with just the right amount of batter. It's fried to GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. While that's going, add ginger, garlic, chili to the smoking wok, along with our house-made signature sauce. The sauce is made fresh in our stores daily. We cook the sauce until it's in the right consistency and toss the crispy chicken in it 3 times until it's perfectly coated. The dish was invented in Hawaii by Chef Andy Kao in 1987. He was traveling with our CEO, co-founder, Andrew Chern. Inspired by Hawaiian cuisine, he cooked chicken meat with local citrus. This was the birth of the original orange chicken. The dish was brought back to California and became a huge hit. Right now, 1 out of 2 customers orders orange chicken. After 30 years, orange chicken is still a global phenomenon.